Hi. In English, we have two ways of pronouncing the TH sound. Now, it's a little bit tricky, but bear with me. We have the TH in this, that, these, those. And we have the TH in mouth, through, thought, throw. Now, how do we produce these sounds? Let's start with the mouth version. If we want to say mouth, we put our tongue against our top teeth, but we just put the end of the tongue against the top teeth. Mouth, through, thought, throw. You can see only a little bit of the tongue. Now, when we want to make words like this, that, these, those, you can see much more of my tongue. I'm doing the same thing. I'm putting my tongue against my teeth, but it's further back in my mouth. It's not just the tip of my tongue, it's more of my tongue that is touching my teeth. So when I say this, that, these, those, you can hear the sound of the air. You can hear that sound, and you can also see more of my tongue. This, that, these, those. Whereas when I say mouth, mouth, you cannot see very much of my tongue, if anything. Now, let's put it into practice. What kind of words need the sound? This, though, that, there. When we have there, we also have words like therefore, therein, thereby. We have these, those, the, and them. We have they, their, and then. All words that end with th use the sound. So mouth, teeth, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. All of the numbers that add th all add the sound. The exception to the rule is with, and with has the air sound, where you see more of your tongue. With. So mouth ends with a th, and we use the f. However, if we add an s, then we say mouths, mouths. We don't say mouths, we say mouths. So then we go back to the v sound, because it's too difficult to say mouths, mouths. If a word starts with th, r, like thread or throw, then we use the sound. Thread, throw, through. Let's go through a list where we alternate between the th and the th. This, thorough, though, thought, that, through, therein, thing, these, threaten, those, thunder, the, three, them, theme, they, think, there, thick. There is they are, but also there and there. Then, thread. The. The is an old way of saying you. Another old word is thy, which means your. So we say thy, but we say thigh. Thigh is the top of your leg. Than, third. Thus, 13. Thereby. Throw, which becomes through and have thrown. So throw, through, thrown. And they all use the tip of the tongue, th. Therefore, thank you. There's a list of the words that I've used today in the description section below. I hope you found this useful. If you've got any questions about English, please leave them in the comment section and hopefully I'll be able to answer them for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.